Hey, if you want some trend reversal trading ideas, which is selling the tops and buying the bottoms, watch this video. I'm gonna go through the US markets and sectors in a rather fast pace. It's the 9th of May 2023 and let's go. Volatility slightly up this morning. We're not trading volatility here. S&P 500 via SPY. There is a potential daily reversal here happening to the bull side, but that's still a blue color only, and the the days opening red. Weekly is negative, so I'm watching for SPY to potentially head lower from this resistance. Yesterday we were checking the 2-day charts, and there we finally now have a bear reversal color, so that's why I'm thinking short on SPY instead of long, even though there's a daily signal higher. Nasdaq, the weekly is now giving a bear reversal warning color, orange. Of course it's Tuesday, so we are not very far in the week yet, while the daily has just started moving higher from this chop zone warning after having a really weak bearish cycle. So I'm kind of like feeling moderately bullish on QQQ or slightly bullish on QQQ while feeling bearish on SPY. Kind of a mixed bag there. Dow Jones via DIA, daily down and weekly doesn't know what to do. Previously was orange, now it's showing green for now. Monthly, which is the step line here, now curling upwards since April. IWM has weekly and daily momentum falling, but the time to short was here when you had the trigger and the turn down, not necessarily here anymore. There has been a good down move, so next I would be just looking at when will this start moving higher, because I'm all about selling tops, not selling bottoms. IWO, weekly and daily heading lower. The daily turned up here, not necessarily here. Bitcoin, weekly down, daily now in a chop warning here. Ethereum probably most of the time looks pretty similar to the Bitcoin chart. The daily chart is super weak. The weekly chart is usually stronger than the daily chart, so watching for the next bear turn on the daily chart, and then it could be the time to go short Bitcoin or Ethereum, or both if you want a lot of exposure to the crypto markets. But these two, they're like so much same to each other, so like I don't know why trade both. Just pick your favorites, I'd say. I can be wrong. XLE, weekly heading lower, daily has been heading lower super long time. The time to short was here, not necessarily here. Of course this can keep going, but I would more look like a little bit of a back up move and then heading down again if the weekly keeps falling. The monthly is still falling, by the way. XLF, financial sector, weekly falling, daily falling. The time to short was either at this trigger after the bounce, somewhere there, or somewhere up here on the first trigger. Not sure about this. Is this a time to go short? Well, actually I've got an XLF position, so I'll show why I added some size yesterday. Go into the daily chart, you have a reversal down trigger here, and now the confirmation was also, the momentum was now also confirming the color, and this started dying at, I don't remember what is that. That's the hourly 200 period moving average. So usually time frame 2 is 60 minutes, color orange 200 hours, simple moving average. So hourly 200 period moving average kind of tried to go past that and now fading, with hourly giving short signals. So I added yesterday evening to my XLF short. If you want to know my positions, head over to the blog and check them there. XLB, basic materials, weekly lower and daily lower as well. XLK, technology, reversal trigger here, now heading higher again, but this has been in a chop, could be heading down back to the chop. And weekly color maroon now, so bearish. XLU weekly heading up, daily heading down, now in chop area. I wouldn't touch these because they have been already easier charts to touch. XLI weekly chop, daily heading lower. XLV weekly heading higher, daily still falling, but the price is not really falling. So would it be time to go long XLV soon? Maybe yes, maybe no. I'm watching it. That's why green flag. XLY weekly lower, daily doing nothing at all. XLP weekly higher, daily kind of heading lower, even though the price is not actually falling. This is pretty bullish looking chart. The next reversal higher on the daily could be very interesting to trade. XLRE monthly, weekly and daily lower. The daily is in a chop zone. I wouldn't necessarily touch this because of the chop. XLC, unless you want to sell something like strangles, and there's still volatility to do that despite the chop. XLC weekly lower, daily doing pretty much nothing, not clear, so I wouldn't touch that. XBI biotech, monthly higher, weekly higher, daily higher, looking like a good long candidate if you want to go long something or pick good company within XBI. XRT monthly up, weekly down, daily now giving a bull reversal potential color thanks to Carven, which has been heading like, I don't know, 30 something percent up on earnings, then fell, and now yesterday went up like 26 or whatever percent again. XHB, so home builders, weekly down, daily down. Maybe a good time to short the sector because price is still moving higher. Unless this does something like XLP, usually these signals work. Not every time, but a short bet on XHB or some company within the sector could be an idea worth exploring. And I've taken one short there, by the way. SMH, and you can find all about that on the blog. SMH, daily up, weekly down, now opening lower, or like pretty much everything it seems. XOP, oil producers, weekly down, monthly down and daily down, but the daily is already so much down that I would look for the next reversal back up and then falling down maybe from these moving averages and take a short there. I wouldn't necessarily go short here, just because I like to sell the tops. ICLN, similar looking to, in a way, at least from the daily chart perspective, to XOP, so the time to short was up here. I called this out in these videos. Now I wouldn't go short anymore. I would play the next bounce up or not play the next bounce up, and then they take the next reversal lower if it happens somewhere. Let's say lower highs. If the next high is somewhere here, maybe falling from this moving average, go short. And that's all there is to it. If you want to use these tools, head over to reversalcatcher.com/trial. Whether you do that or not, have a nice day, make a lot of money, and see you tomorrow. Bye.